Hello, my name is Marco Sebastian Hampel, and welcome to my first Milestone video for my fighting adventure game. The goal of this project is to develop a survival adventure game on Unity's high-definition render pipeline that is playable through a motion-sensing Arduino controller. For example, actions like swinging your arms left and right will be tracked to get your character to swing his sword. To achieve this, I've developed a three-step plan. Firstly, design the basic mechanics of the game, like running, fighting, and environmental design. Secondly, create an Arduino motion controller that tracks the player's motion in the real world. And thirdly, implement the Arduino input into the game. For this first milestone, I've completed the first basic step in my plan, finishing the basic mechanics of the game. This includes all basic asset design, all character motions, standing, running, fighting, and all environmental designs. To generate all the objects and characters you see in the game, I use the Blender 3D modeling software to easily create and export 3D models. Next, I animated these models using Adobe's Mixamo website. Once all the assets were imported, I added colors and shaders to my object to create the atmosphere of the scene. During this process, I learned a lot about the high-definition render pipeline and the shader graph function in Unity, which allowed me to develop really cool effects like swaying grass, flowing water, and disintegrating objects. With the basic scene design completed, I used the animator controller in Unity to seamlessly switch between character animations based on your input. For example, things like holding W on the keyboard, for example, to move would basically cause the animation to seamlessly switch from standing to running. With the player fully finished, I decided to create an enemy character which I called the Possessed Knights. These enemies will try to run at you and attack you. With a simple collision script, I was able to have the enemies actually die once you strike your sword at them. Then I created a new, darker scene to match the dark nature of these Possessed Knights. And voila! This is how the current game looks like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.